Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Joseph, here at Nalo Solutions. In the previous video, we looked at how to blacklist contacts on the SMS portal. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to check whether contacts are active to send messages to. What is SIM active? SIM active is a brilliant way we use to check whether contacts are active and the messages can go to them directly at the moment. Here are some terms used to check whether SIM cards are active. You can see active. This means the number is on and can receive messages readily. You can have not found. Not found means numbers cannot be found with our system. You can have invalid. Invalid means numbers are not active and their statuses cannot be checked. Not found means the numbers are incorrect and they cannot be found on our system. Here is how to check whether a number is active or not. Visit app.nalosolutions.com. Log in with your username and password. On the dashboard, click on Check SIM Status. On the SIM Status checker, you have an option to either upload your file or add contacts manually. Here, I am going to add contacts manually to check their statuses. So I click on Add Manually. Now you can use the prefix 233 or 0 to start with the numbers. I'm going to add my number and then click on Check Status. You receive a prompt to continue with your status checking. Now you will find a report of the numbers that have been checked to see whether they are active, not found, or invalid. So here I can see my contacts being marked as active. So just like that, I can go ahead to send messages to that contact because I know that number is active and can readily receive SMS. That is all for today, guys. If you have any questions, queries, you can put them in the comment section or you can shoot me an email at jaeduku@nalosolutions.com. Thank you. Bye.